Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Fire TV Stick and Fire TV. Today I will show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV Stick and Fire TV. Now this can be applied to any Fire TV Stick, whether it's a 4K or not 4K. This will work for most new Fire TV Stick models. So basically what you need to do is you'll need to turn on your Amazon Fire TV and navigate to your home screen. From your home screen, you'll need to go to settings from the top menu bar, and then you'll need to scroll and select My Fire TV. Now usually there you will find developer options. Developer options will allow you to turn on the apps from unknown sources. So once you go to developer options, you will be able to turn on the apps from unknown sources option, and that's it. Now you will be able to enable the install from unknown sources option on your Amazon Fire TV, and now you can download and install apps from third-party sources and not only from Amazon Fire TV sources. So that's basically what you want to do. It's very simple. If your Amazon TV does not have this, then you might go and contact Amazon or Amazon support, and they will help you with finding the developer options if you have that enabled on your Fire TV. So that's pretty much what you need to do to allow apps from unknown sources on Fire TV Stick and Fire TV. This is fully updated for the new year. So if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.